Previously on TWiT.
Happy birthday to Jeff Jarvis. Oh my God, it's a giant taco cake.
Taco cake.
Windows Weekly.
We are really stuck on the Windows side with a compatibility problem that we can't get past because its business customers rely on stuff from the 1980s or 90s or whatever it is. They just can't do it. And that is a problem ARM does not solve.
Tech News Weekly.
Twitter experienced its worst hijacking to date.
What was interesting about this was that it was so big. I mean, it was like so many different high-profile accounts that it immediately seemed like an inside job.
Hands-on tech.
I am going to show you my favorite dock for the Mac. It's the Caldigit Thunderbolt Station 3 Plus, and it is incredible.
This Week in Google.
Instead of having one of those Amazon grab-and-go stores near you, what if every store had an Amazon grab-and-go shopping cart? It's called a dash cart. You don't have to scan things. You just throw them in. When you are done shopping, you take the cart through a special lane. It's just like fast track for your shopping, and you're done.
TWiT. For help with the technology addiction problem, call 1-800-TWiT.
I don't like these kind of masks because they make my ears stick out. And I don't like to look weird.